Welcome back. My name is Palaj Viswas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And today discuss the standardizations, deadweight and motion principles. This is my lecture number 4, and also this is basically materials handling principles of this few remaining parts will be discussed on this lecture. And the previous lectures already discussed the few principles, and today discuss the remaining part of this materials handling principles is here. That like your the standardization principles, deadweight principles, and also the safety principles also here. And first is discussed according to this the safety principles. The what is the safety principles and what is the importance? Basically safety principles is denote that like you are identified the your materials will be transferred the properly the safe way, that like you are the your materials is the not damage will be comes during your the transfer from the one place to this the another place. And another things, you have to accept the material that like your the materials is comes from your the outside of your industry, that like your the raw materials, then you have to safely transfer from your the um, uh, from your the raw materials, that like your the those places the raw materials is produced and to your the company or to your the production house, then this will be considered according to your the safety principle. And during to your the safety principles, you have to always consider according to the who those people will be transfer your materials, and also required to your the safety for those people, the which one will be transfer this materials, and including of your the material safety will be considered according to your the safety principles. And basically the safety principles, the handling method and handling equipments use must be safe, that like the few suggestions is considered according to your the safety principles, that like your the suggestions that provides adequate guard and safety device on materials handling equipment, that like your the adequate safety guards. Suppose your the gas cylinder is transferred from this the one place to the another place, then your the gas cylinder is the first considered that there is the no leakage is found, and there is the uppermost portion the properly safeguards will be given, and the people will be always the properly the properly skilled labor also will be here, like there is the no difficulties is comes, and also this is the safely movement of there. And another this like your the record for the safety device, and also your the materials handling equipments do not overload materials handling equipments. And a few cases in our state or the our country, we can see the different times that a lorry or the different vehicles will be transfer this materials, but this will be the overloaded, and during toward the police pickup will be there, and this will be considered this will be the overloaded. Like the suppose your sand will be given to your the 15 tons, then this will be transferred the 20 tons. Now this will be difficulties, and also your materials also will be waste during to the movement of one place to this another place. And this is the very difficulties, and for this will be considered according to the safety principles. We have to concentrate, do not overload materials handling equipment. And another thing is the maintain floor in good condition. Suppose your materials is the placed on your the floor, then your floor is the always maintained properly, that is the good condition, that is the there is the no breaking will be there, that like your the floor, and your floor is the on dust particles will be movement, that means, and this will be this materials also here this is the mesh twist the twist materials, then this will be required for again the separation of this, and also this conditions your materials will be destroyed these conditions, and also the excess labor will be required for this will be materials maintaining floor in the good conditions. And another thing is the provide adequate shop lighting, and then shop lighting is the required, that like your the adequate and provide the good housekeeping procedures. Suppose your materials is handled properly, then you have to maintain your the good housekeeping. Either your materials is the not properly maintained, and also the not will be saved properly. Suppose your the different storage, you have to store the different type of materials, like your the storage the potato, different fruits, and also the different type of raw materials will be storage on that point. Then you have to properly airy environments will be required, and also the few times few days later you have to visit of this one, and also the one storekeeper will be available, and this will be considered according to the good housekeeping is there. Use the mirror at agile intersections will be considered like the different type of defects, and we have to safely transfer your materials that like the inspections, and either maybe accidents will be done during to this the system of that. And the materials handling equipments operators should be properly trained, and this is the very important things during to the safety principles. The stack the unstack materials safely. The suppose your production industry, we can see the different type of materials will be required that, from this your the production places, the stacking properly, that like the one by one, and either here during to the stacking time this materials will be the misplace of your hand, then this is the damage will be comes from this point, then this will be stacking and stacking materials will be required for safely. And the keep materials handling equipments in proper conditions and do not use defective equipments. And a few cases we have to use during toward the effective equipments, then this is the not will be good safety principles will be maintained, that like your materials in proper conditions, and do not use the defective equipments. And another things, the use mechanical handling equipments for difficult handling activities and to handle dangerous hazardous materials, that like your the use of mechanical handling equipment. Another thing is the use proper personal protective gears during the handling materials is used. Few cases that like your the organ tippler is used, that like your the coal handling system, that is that means the one personal protective gear device is used during toward the handling of materials, and the very easily transfer of this coal is the one place to the another place during toward the conveyor systems, and also that this conveyor system is convey during toward the organ tippler, just like your the organ is tipped by this the your gear drives, and during this will be transfer this the coal handle, and that means your the power plant industry the very easily. The standardization principles is comes here, that like your the materials handling methods and equipment should be standardized to the extent possible, that like your the few cases we can see there is the no standardizations will be here, that like your the materials will be transferred proper way, but this will be difficulties is comes, that like your the you have to always consider according to the standard the materials, and also the systems also will be standardization is required. Either your materials is not properly handled from this the one place to this the another place, then this will be few difficulties this arise during toward the transfer of materials, and also few defects will become, and also few loss will become, and also few cases the this will be the mismatch is here, and this will be properly maintained. Few the standardization principles is essential. Materials handling methods and equipment should be standardized to the extent possible, and few suggestions is given here, that use standard containers, and this will be here. The few cases that your containers will be the materials will be transferred, this is the 1 liter, but your container will be not is the 1 liter, this is the suppose 50 millimeters is less from your the container, but this is the difficulties. And a few cases we can see the your materials container weight is the higher, but your materials will be when your materials is the transfer, then this will be very travel will be them, that means your the suppose your transfer this is the 5 liters of liquids, then your 5 liter of liquid is considered, liquid is transfer, but you can see here the 5 liter materials 5 liter liquid transfer, then your the container weight is the 2 kg. This is the difficulties, because the you have to transfer your materials the 5 liters, but your the container weight is the 2 kg. This is the difficulties. And another things that you have to always consider according to the weight, the height, and also the width, and all things, and also they are according to the standard, there is no leakage will become just like the container, and this type of container will be used is consideration according to the standardized containers. And the purchase standard type and size of equipments. This will be very much required, that the according to the up to the marks of your the up to the marks of your size and of your equipment, that is the you have to require to purchase, but you not will be consideration. This is the one time use, that it will be destroyed again, but you cannot be purchase the proper. This is the difficulties, and also the wastage of monies of your the transfer of materials. And a few cases we can see when you have to travel from the one place to this another place, but we have to use for your the one time use the bags, and also the this will be transfer, and again this is the destroyed. That this is the two type of difficulties is here. One is the disposal difficulties, another is the this is the your money is wasted. Similarly, during your the transfer of material, that means your the parts is the standard type of types and size of equipment. And another things you can see when we have to the buy from this the on materials, it's that like your the different type of shops, the grocery shops, you have to buy on here. And you can see, and this like this your the different shopping mall, that like the you can buying a shirts, then this malls will be offered, that is the bag is required or not, but you have to tell this that one bags is required, then this bags is put to give to you, but you will be considered this bags price is the 4 rupees, but this 4 rupees is used for one time movement of your materials from your the shopping mall to your shopping mall to home, and the shopping mall to your the staying place. And then the again this bags is the valueless, because this bags is not is the again you have to take you have to use and your concentrations, then you have to goes to this shopping mall, then you have to one bags will be carry from your home, then this 4 rupees will be saved. And again these bags will be required for disposal, disposal during to your home will be excess bags will be available, but this bags will be not is the return to your the shops. And then you have to always consider according to your the standard bags will be carry, then you have to save your the 4 rupees, and also your the disposal difficulties is not come here. Similarly, the parcel standard type and size of equipment, and also this will be reuse type of equipment will be consideration. The use standard size of a pallets to feed products by size equipments, and transport tracks also will be considered according to your the standards here. And the flexibility principles, the another principles is comes during to your the materials handling principles, that is like your the flexibility principles. Use methods and equipment which can perform different tasks, and the applications will be here, that like your the flexibility principles. The this is the suggestions is given here. Buy flexible equipment like forklift trucks, that like your the forklift truck is used, this is the considered according to your the flexibility equipments. The two fork is available on the your the forklift trucks, and this forklift trucks the different unequal shape of materials, you have to very easily movement, that like your the vertical up and downs, and also there is the horizontal movements will be found during toward the forklift trucks. And this forklift truck is the flexible equipment will be here. And another things that this forklift truck is used during toward the shop floor only, not will be the scarce type of places you have to use to your the forklift trucks. And conveyors is considered according to your the flexibility principle, just like the different type of conveyor is considered, that is a rope conveyor, belt conveyor, tube conveyors, and the tube conveyors will be considered according to your the flexible type of equipment. And during to your the belt conveyors, you have to transfer the your the part type of materials, like your the different type of particles will be transferred from this one place to this another place very easily. That like use considers according to this your the conveyor and etc. And another things here, the use variable speed drives. And variable speed drives is considered like your the gear drives, is used for your the variable speeds, and also the your differential gear is used, that like your the transfer, and also the speed is maintained, and the different hoisting equipment is considered here, and just like you have to vary your the different speeds, and like your the crane is used to your the different speed variable is be considered, and the make use of attachment and accessories. That like the use of attachment and accessories, the different type of bucket graves, graphs, buckets, and also the elevator, and the hoisting equipment, and a different type of drums will be used to this the movement of materials from this the one place to this another place. Then you have to consider according to your the different type of attachments will be required. Like your the crane, the one hooks will be attached, and these hooks will be take these materials from this the vertical movement from this the up and uploading, and loading and unloading condition. This is the consideration according to your the attachment, that like your the accessories, and use for waste pallets, skids, and container. The waste pallets, skids, container. This is the use for the different type of platform. The this type of equipment is used to this movement of materials, and this skids pallet is the this is the flexible type of equipment. You have to transfer this skids and plates the each and every places according to your the requirement. Suppose is this will be required for your the loading, and again you have to loading will be done, then this will be carry according to your the systems, and again when you have to unloading of your this materials, then you have to use to your the skids and pallets will be, and also the container will be transfer used is the much more flexibility of materials or the equipment. Basically this container is used to transfer of materials, and again the reuse is the very easily done during to your the transfer of materials of this the container. Suppose your gas will be transferred from this the one your one place to this another place, and again this gas will be used, and again this gas container also will be returned to your the shop, and this shop to your the production house, and also this again the gas will be filling, and again this container is to your the user, and this will be the containers will be, this is the flexibility equipment is here, and utilize mobile in favor of fixed equipment, that like your the tracks in favor of fixed conveyor is considered according to your the utilize mobile favor in the equipment, that your the tracks and tracks will be goes the different places according to your choices, that like your the 500 kilometer long distance you can be transfer your materials by through these tracks, and your the one country to another country goes to your tracks the movement of materials very easily, and fixed conveyors also will be considered according to your the flexible type of equipment, and this is the under the flexible principles is here. And another things is deadweight principles reduce the deadweight movement. Deadweight movement suggestions the movable materials handling equipment should be made of lightweight materials like the aluminium, magnesium, etc. is considered as the deadweight type of materials. This is the transfer through here. The use lightweights, the pallets, skids, container, etc. is used during your the deadweight type of the materials. Just like your the materials will be properly movement from your the one place to your the another place. That like your the skids pallets is considered here. The consider the expendable pallets. Expendable pallets, that means this pallet will be very expenses, and for this will be used for the expended here, and containers is and select the lightweight equipment for the high loads, because the your lightweight the equipment is the low weight is low, that means you have to note the excessive excessive load will be required for this the transfer of this your the equipment. For this will be considered the high loaded equipment materials you have to transfer through your the lightweight equipments to transfer the for another things for your the light loads. Then you have to consider that like your the light loaded materials you have to always use to your the lightweight equipment is here. The obstacle sense principle, just like the obstacles will be comes here. The replace obstacles obsolete handling methods and the equipments by more efficient method or equipments to improve operations, that like you the establish a definite replacement policy. This will be comes during toward the definite replacement policy, that like what the materials will be when you have to materials will be transferred proper way, but this will be few cases is required for the replacement of is, that like your consideration is here the rent or lease new equipment to try out. Few cases the we have to find that like the new equipment is available on this the market, but you have to record that this equipment is consideration according to the rent of this, and few cases we have to record that like the lease. The lease is here that this new equipment you have to lease for this the 2 month or the 2 years, then you have to complete this handling procedures, and again this will be given to the return to this company, then this will be consideration according to the rent this or the lease new equipment to try out. And another thing, keep up to date as to what is new in the market through books, journals, expositions factors will be considered. The basically this will be required for your the new type of equipments will be comes to your the market, but this will be find from this the different type of books, and like the different journals is produced, and you have to consideration of which type of journal is the published of this, and also the expositions and also the factories, this will be required for your the nose here. And another is very important for your the maintenance principles, just like your the maintenance principles do schedule the maintenance and the repair of all materials handling equipment to minimize that like minimize outage is here, that like your the few suggestions is be considered the train operators. The maintenance principles will be comes here. The first things is that like your the train operators, and also the maintenance personnel properly, that like your people not will be maintained properly, but your materials will be not trained. Materials will be handled or the this people will be handle this materials, but not will be proper trained. Then this is the not is the properly handle your materials. And again another thing is there, that during to this movement your concentrations is here. You have to maintenance properly of your equipment, then your equipment will be required for this the calibration, then you have to transfer proper way and one place to this another place, and also you have to transportation cost also will be lower, and also the loading unloading cost also will be less, and also your the materials handling cost will be higher, then your production cost also will be higher, or this will be required for your the maintenance personnel properly, and also required for your the 10 skilled operators, and the follow maintenance procedures as per manufacturer recommendations is required. Suppose your the your equipment is the properly maintenance, this will be done or not, this is the depends on your the manufacturer, and your manufacturer will be recommended that this type of calibrated equipment will be essential for your the transfer of materials, that like the suppose your the crane is required will be loading and unloading, but this crane the which loaded crane is used on your the loading and unloading in your materials, in your the shipment of your materials, then this will be depends on your the manufacturer recommendations will be required. Another things, the operators should check conditions daily and reports. Either your operator not will be checked properly, then the suppose your the failure will be comes on your equipment, then this will be don't know, but you have to use on this use this do those day, then this will be found there is a on different defaults will become, but this will be during to this type of difficulties, and also the delay avoid this delayness, then you have to always operators should check conditions and daily reports will be done. Basically this concentration will be required for your the different type of crane, because of your crane will be used properly, and after on slots and each and every day later you have to record for your this daily reports on your the operator, and this will be different type of crane is used, and like the different shipping places you have to use to this crane, and also required for your the report is here, and the do repair properly, and also the suppose your equipment is disturbance, and your equipment will be failures will become, then you have to always the repairs is the proper way, and as like as your the maintenance to maintenance is here to avoid this breakdown, and you cannot be maintain use properly, then you have to go to your the breakdown. Suppose or the any type of equipment is the purchase from the market, then this purchaser will goes to on assurance is there, that like your the 2 years 3 years maintenance will be free maintenance is there, that like your the maintain properly, then your the equipment is the not breakdown, that like your the avoid to your the breakdown, your the required for the maintenance properly on your equipment, and also this will be done properly, and also the save your safely materials will be handled properly. The established preventive maintenance programs will be done, and the maintain adequate spares also will be come during to your the maintenance principles. And another things, the standardized equipment to reduce the spares. The previously discussed of the previous slides also will be discussed that standardized equipment, and just like you have to require the standardized equipment to reduce the spares and the avoid over maintenance. The few cases we can see that like your the each and every day we have to check this equipment, but you have to not is necessary for this the everyday checking, but this will be required for this the checking will be done for today, but you have to required for the 1 or 2 month later, but this will be required during the maintenance. But few person we can see that like this will be maintained 2 or 3 weeks later, but this will be the over maintenance is here, but this will be avoided. That during to this one, the excess manpower also will be required, like the excess money also will be required, but you have to during to this you have to break down your equipment is here, and avoid overloading of materials handling equipment, that like your materials handling equipments will be avoid is the overloading. There are few cases your that like your the trucks or vehicles will be transferred from the different sticky materials, or like your the bricks that like your the sands will be transferred from this the one place to this the another place, then this will be find here the different type of unloading, different type of overloading conditions will be that, and for this will be difficulties, the materials will be destroyed during to this movement from this the one place to this the another place, and again your equipment can be destroyed. And for the avoid the over handling of materials handling overloading, like your the materials handling equipments for your the proper maintenance. Capacity principles comes here, that like the capacity principles use materials handling so that full production capacity can be achieved. That means your few suggestions is give here, the use mechanical handling systems for uniform flow of materials. The basically the uniform flow of materials will be standards for your the mechanical handling systems. And another thing is the operate equipments at optimum rate will be considered, the like your the operate equipments. Plan to utilize return run of the materials handling equipments that makes full use of building volume. Building volume is considered, and change size shape of unit loads to utilize space equipment and manpower is considered, like your the change of size, like your the capacity and the shape of unit loads to the utilize space. Suppose your the unit load concentration, that means you have to consider your capacity of this 100 tons, but you have to given to your the 1000 tons will be here, but this 100 tons and to 1000 tons, this is the whole things is be considered here the one unit loads, but your the this 1000 tons is not your capacity of here. For this the shape of unit load, that like your the utilized space. Suppose you are the in these rooms you have to loaded your this materials that like the on tons, but you have to consider that these places you have to play the storage the 2 tons of materials, but this is the not your the space of this here, or this is the shape of the unit load to utilize space. The equipment and manpower also will be considered according to this. The use outdoor or rented storage space is when necessary. Suppose the few cases we can see the excess materials comes from the another industry, then you have to require for your the materials is the storage, and then you have to require for the outdoors, and also the rented space also will be here, then you have to maybe used is there, that according to your the capacity principles. The wind aside OS to spend the materials movements also here, and the ideal times principles is here, the reduce the idle or the productive times of both materials handling equipment and manpowers. This principle is similar to motion principles so far as materials handling equipments are concerned. Hence, same suggestions are applicable. Additional suggestions for manpower are the delivered materials are proper rate so that operators are not ideal for the materials. Use the indirect labor for the materials handlings. Install handling equipments to reduce labor. The combined job, that is the one man handle the two or more machines or jobs is here. And the motions principle, that like the stoppage of the mobile equipment should be minimum. Suggestions is here, the reduce the loading unloading times, that like your the load unload with the materials handling equipment is in motion is possible. You use the mechanized the loading unloading equipments, the use self loadings unloading equipment like the lift trucks, lift trucks, and also the plan materials movement on both ways. Movement of this materials handling equipment is there. And the plant materials movement on both way. Movement of materials handling equipments, use the equipments where the carrying device is attached to moving motifs. The unit like the platforms, types, tracks, trailers, etc. Use the pallets, skids, etc. to sustain the loading, unloadings. Use the device like the triplets. The bottom discharge the containers, etc. is here. And the few MCQ questions is available. The following is used to transport materials handling flat bottom. The bottom is here, like the belt conveyor, roller conveyor, chain conveyors. None of these are like used for your the roller conveyor is used. The following is supported from the ceiling is here, like your the concentrate according to your the roller conveyor. Thank you, students.